Hello and welcome back. Where you are right now is in the middle of my newest video series called 21 Things I Wish I Knew Before I Became a Middle-Aged Man. We are on number 7 today, and this one's called Never Act Your Age. And let me give you some context. I was raised to be respectful of my elders. I was raised to be respectful of adults when I was young, and to generally be respectful of everyone. And I'm not dismissing that by any means, but when you get into business, in any kind of business, at some point you start off, you're in a room with people that are older than you are. And, the tendency is to call those people Mr. Or Mrs. and or ma'am or sir. And that's just from your upbringing, right? But I would caution you against that, because what you're doing, and this holds true for everyone, is you're putting that person on a pedestal. And if you put people on pedestals, in my experience, it's very difficult to get them off those pedestals. And then the landscape is completely shifted from a respect, disrespect, authority, lack of authority, seniority, lack of seniority. You've basically just handed them a key to whatever negotiation you're about to enter into. And so, interestingly enough, as you get older, the knock on you is going to probably be, they call it ageism now. I don't believe in it. But it's energy and current events and technology, things that you might not be expected to be very good with. So what do you do about that? Well, when the clock starts ticking and the needle's now in the second half of life, you got to bring some energy to the table. You got to be up on things. You got to be fit. You got to take care of yourself. But I don't care how old you are or what position you're in. If you lead with putting somebody on a pedestal, you're never going to get them off. I made this mistake more than once in my career. And as you get older as well, when you're dealing with someone who's younger, don't be the authoritarian who wants to be put on the pedestal, right? Give the kid a break, right? Lighten the load a little bit by saying, look, you can call me Mark. All right. I prefer that you call me Mark. And then play on that even playing field. Nobody wants to be above somebody else. No good person. Nobody wants to be below anybody else. So just don't be acting your age. Check that at the door. Just walk in and create an environment, whether it's a meeting or a sales call, where you're on an even playing field. No one's kissing anybody's ass, and there's no authoritarians in the room. Okay. So, but that's a thing. So hopefully that will make life a little easier for you moving forward, and it resonates with you. So hopefully we'll see you tomorrow in episode number 8, and have a great day. Thanks.